The first step to integrate mSay into your iOS app is to download the zip file from the integration page and unzip it into your app. Here I'm just going to open up the terminal and unzip msay-ios.zip into my app's root directory. To get these files into your app, you'll have to add them to your project in Xcode. So I open up Xcode, right-click on the project name, click Add Files to your project name, in this case iOS Screencast, and add the mSay directory that was unzipped. Since mSay records audio, I have to link the AV Foundation framework to the project. I can click on the project here to get to the targets, click on the desired target, go to Build Phases, then open up Link Binary with Libraries. If I click the plus sign in the bottom left corner, I can add the AV Foundation framework from the list. Now you'll have to decide which screen you'd like to collect feedback on. Here I'm just going to select my root app view, and to trigger the mSay flow, I'll have to add a button to this view. I open up the view file here in Interface Builder, drag over a round rect button, and I'll make it say, "What do you think of our app?" Now I want to close the Utilities panel and open up the Assistant Editor, open up the header file for that view controller, and control-click from the button to the interface section. I need an outlet, I'll call that Feedback button, with the rest of the options set to defaults. Then do the same for an IB action, and I'll call that Get Feedback. To start the mSay flow, I'll open up the implementation file for my view controller and import mSay questionViewController.h at the top of that file. Now I can copy the code from the integration page and paste that into the IB action I just created. mSay includes a default button and question, but you'll probably want to customize the text there, especially the question. I can find the button and the question in mSay/questionView.xib, and the question is repeated in mSay/recordingView.xib. I'm okay with the button text I see here, but I do want to change the question to, "What do you think of our app?" So I've changed it here in questionView.xib, and now I'll open up recordingView.xib and change it there as well. Almost done. Now I have to copy my authentication credentials from the integration page. I'll open up mSayRecordingViewController.m, and in the stop recording method, there are two lines almost identical to the ones I just copied. I want to replace those lines so my app will send the audio to Saygent with my credentials. And that's it. Your users can tell you what they think right in your app, and once you have a few responses, you'll see the data on your dashboard. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us, answers@saygent.com.